I met a guy, a sweet and a cute and a funny guy. Although I had to check to be sure he wasn't female. But he was a guy, a lovely guy, a bouncy, a happy, funny guy. And I confirmed it as soon as his picture came through on the email. Who cares if we met in a chat room? It's as good as any sweaty back room. Why shouldn't things work out fine just because we met online? I met a guy, a gorgeous and muscly funny guy. I couldn't believe such a perfect guy had fallen into my lap. A wealthy guy, a well-built guy, a clever, foolish, funny guy. Turns out if you wanna meet a guy, well, there's an app for that. I thought it would last forever, but suddenly I had to call him from my friends list when he said, I can't believe he wrote, talk to you later, lol. Those 3 little letters changed the situation. I can cope with it as an acronym, but he used it as punctuation.